Go to navbar.css and then we'll begin. First and first, we start with navbar.navbar, and then remember this navbar here. The first this was this dot navbar, and then come to this place. Sometimes it's better you just copy because you may have typo. Navbar, and then oh god of mercy, I'm coming, excuse me. Let's just all right, enter dot navbar, position, 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 sticky, um up 0, width 100%, background color, background color var. Remember where this var is coming from. We can say dash dash deep gray. Remember this place under this style, all these colors deep gray. So we are calling it from here. So we are importing this general.css, we are exporting it, and then we can call it wherever we want, making it what reusable. Aha. So that's what we call reusable code. So let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. Or just continue. Then z index is import. Z index means something that will make it above every other one. So make it to 1000. Yeah. Then burst shadow. Burst shadow. Burst shadow 0. 2 pixel. 2 pixel, 10 pixel. Then RGBA, another form of writing color, 0 comma 0 0 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 0 and comma 2. That should work. All right. Now next we go to navbar container. Where's the navbar? Come this way so that I won't be. So we go to navbar container. Copy. So we write the navbar container. It's supposed to be dot navbar. My apologies. So dot navbar will display flares. Enter. Justify content space between. Now let's see. Let's see what's happening. Something is happening that is not. I'm coming. Are we importing our CSS? Yes, we are importing it. And then what's going on? Oh, we have to, let me rename this thing very well. It's supposed to be navbar.css. Navbar. Navbar.css. Okay. Then rename it here. Navbar.css. Alright. Okay. We'll still. Next, we see um align items. Align items. Center. Alright, center. Um, padding. Adding 15 pixel, 15 pixel, 30 pixel. It talks about the space. The 15 pixel is talking about the top and the bottom, while the 30 pixel is talking about the left and the right. Adding mouse width mass weight 1200 peso. Then margin, margin auto. Let's go to the logo. That's, I think it's dot logo. Yes, logo. I have to be careful. To see, I need my space. Get out of here. All right. Dot logo. Dot dot logo. Continue. Display display flares. Align items center. Let me say gap 10 pixel. Font size 1 rem. Color var var white. And then cursor pointer. We'll continue. Dot. Great. Now we are seeing the changes already. This one has moved this way because of align items and the rest. All right. Let's continue. Dot. The next is highlight logo. Dot. What the heck is the highlight? Let's see. Um, highlight. Oh, we have go for test first, but it's supposed to be logo dot test. Let's go for logo dot test first. Since it's the next in the line, let's do it step by step. Or logo image. Let's go for logo image first. Logo image. Logo image. So we write logo image. Logo.img, which is what? Width 40 pixel, height 40 pixel. Now you see the difference now. All right, it's come down. So um, object fit cover, um, border radius, 50%. Great. Next is after logo we have logo test. So we'll go for logo dot test dot logo test dot logo. Let me just paste it. The logo test, we have display inline block, inline block. All right. Okay, going somewhere. Next is after logo test highlight. All right, highlight is under logo, so we just say dot logo dot test, which is um dot logo dot highlight, and then we say color var primary blue, sorry, dash dash primary blue. Okay, this is what it means. Yes, this is it. This is the primary blue. All right. um Next is highlight. Then I think it's nav links. We have not touched this nav links, that's why this place is still scattered here. So nav links, have we done container? Yeah, we've done container. All right, let's go for nav links. Oh yeah, you. All right, nav links. Let's check if I've done container. Yeah, we've done container. Nav links dot enter, and then so display flares and gap 25 pixel. See what has become. All right, this is the gap. All the spaces here. Good job. Let's continue. Dot nav link. Dot nav link. Uh-uh. Dot nav link A. This is the A we are talking about here. Nav links A. At nav links A, we have color uh, we could just say white, or let's just test light. Let's maybe see what that test light is. Test light, okay, almost white, but not really white. Is it white? I don't know. Let's use test light or white. We use test light. Test light is better. Dash dash test light, and then font weight 500 to make it thick, and then transition color 0.3 seconds, and then cursor pointer to show the hand, and then font size 1 rem. Let's go look at what we've done. All right, we're moving on. Okay, so um this is this the pointer is coming up, so that's the meaning of pointer. What else? After nav links, I think that will be all. That will be all. Have I done logo img? Alright. Nav link. When you hover around the nav link, you should see a color. So let's do nav links A over. Copy this. And the color var dash dash cyber green. So, um, navbar.css. I don't like this. I want to make sure it's everything is okay. Nav, so it should be in the same. We should be following the same direction, the same naming convention. So just say navbar and go back to this navbar.js and say navbar. Yeah, navbar. So let's see. This thing should be aligned. So what's the problem? So let's debug. First of all, this one is under here, and this div class name, is a navbar container, and under navbar container we have display flares. So the logo test, there's no display flares, so it should be under navbar container. So I mean the nav links, not logo test. Nav links should be under navbar container. So let's copy it and paste it under here, and then we move it forward a little, so that's good. All right, now this, delete this one, it's not necessary, or we should see the difference. All right, You see the one that is under, and now this is looking beautiful. All right, so that's how you should be looking. Now delete this. So that's it for the nav bar, and let's go to the footer and work on the footer. Now creating the footer. All right, we'll create a new folder, but let's clean this first. The new folder called footer, footer, and under the footer we create two files: footer.css. I want to copy this one, and footer.gss, another new file, Ctrl V dot .gss. Now I will write rofc enter. Rofce enter. Good. Now we go to app.gss and import it. So we come here and say footer. If you look at this thing, it say component footer. You just click it, it will come in, and then you cover this. Now we have gotten our footer. So if you come to this place, you will see footer here. So we want to style it so that it will come down. Now let's begin. I mean this footer, this div, this footer here is what is showing footer down here.